Hi, this is Prasanna from Trade Zone, and today's video is all about marking important levels for results calendar oriented stocks. And this month we'll be having it's a results month, so we can actually focus on the stocks which is going to have some serious results, and mostly we take only uh, the famous stocks and what to say, which is having a larger cap and we can just focus on those stocks. And by end of today I'll be posting having I can post you another video regarding the commodity levels, and there will be one more video for stock market for beginners. Series will be starting from today, so it's just a heads up, and it's very simple to see what are the results oriented stocks for the upcoming in the. So we can just actually type results calendar 2021 in Google, and it can go there and get it here. So I always take it here because in BSE's website it is pretty simple. It is not that complicated. We'll be having everything at one place. So mostly stocks do available in both the ends. Something like GM breweries or anything like that, right? Let's take for GM breweries. Okay, so for GM Brewery, we do have in both NSE and BSEs. Try to take like a Monday calendar or a 4 hours calendar, whatever, whichever is of your comfort. So I do suggest 1 hour. Sorry, I do suggest one day for stocks results calendar, because there will be like very much major points, and you can actually keep a track of them and do the entry or exit appropriate. So I think it's pretty common over here in 1 4 hours, and I think this can be the level. Let's see, like 446 and 442. So this could be the level, and over here this could be the level. So if this is taken out, and we can expect a large side of downfall. So let's see, let's hope, and what happens in one day, we'll see. We'll just have a marking in one day as well. Yeah, it's more likely the same, but there's a slight difference in 4 to 5 points. Anyways, we'll mark based on 1 day chart and see what is happening exactly. So I would rather mark at this level 451 to this thing, and over here it is like this area. That's it. To keep this very simple, if it comes down near this place, just go for buy. If it is coming here, go for short. But you can wait for a 1 hour candle to 1 hour candle. I'm saying, I'm very clear today. We are marking zones based on one day. Since it's a result oriented stocks, these can be very volatile. Okay, so I'm expecting some kind of volatility over here, and if any breakout or any what to say, any kind of rejections at these particular zones will actually give you enough time to enter and do a trade. So if you want to do only F&O stocks, it is also easy to go there. For example, now we have just marked the GM previous levels. So let's discuss this by after the results is being delivered, right? Maybe after end of this week, we can have a brief discussion on GM breweries as well. Okay, so I've just kept track of this stock now. There is a decent volume over here in recent times. Let's see if this is taken out, and then definitely there could be a huge push. Only then it will be able to make it out to different levels. If not, it might retrace at higher levels and just fall down. Let's hope what is happening. And I would rather say, since it's a result of the stocks, try to pick up the stocks which is there in F&O, like TCS, Infosys, Wipro, HDFC Bank. We can see very much all the primary stocks have been results have been displayed this month. So just focus on these bigger stocks: M&M Finance, ICICI Bank. All these are major. Just play a major role. HDFC Life, everything. This month is full of result, so you can actually make very good money out of it if you are able to mark the levels properly and able to trade it properly. We can actually do a very sizable amount of trade. So just focus on these areas. Number one, TCS is like we have just marked for GM Breweries, let it be there, and then for TCS now. So let's take TCS. If you're not finding much clarity, whenever you don't find much clarity, just try to attain. Don't try to push yourself, and if you're not able to market by yourself at a certain stock, don't push yourself. Just leave the stock, move on to the next stock where you are actually confident and you're able to enter it. So I think this is a spot for this TCS. This could be the only place where it can actually take a rejection, or only if this breaks out we can actually think of a buy. So I would rather say that, because it can easily move like from 300 to 350 points, but I don't see anything. See, only if this goes beyond this 2996 we can see anything about a fall, or else this can also be support at times, or else we just need to focus here. That's way too far entry, but this is one place, and this is our second place. So I would rather suggest three different places for this one, and that's how we can mark this one. See, this has a very low volume, and we have a sudden drop in volume, and we had a sudden drop in volume, and over here again we have a sudden drop in volume. So we can just mark at these important levels and just hold on to it. So since you're marking in 1 day levels, and we can expect a 1 hour breakout or 1 hour rejections, whatever it may be. You can, or 15 minutes. If you're confident in 15 minutes, just do it in 15 minutes and enter the trading stock at the mini call option or put option, whatever it is needed. Okay, so we have explained much about all these things, and definitely in beginners programs I'll be explaining what from each and every step of stock market, and I'll be explaining in this videos is all about for the real-time traders who want some more info on the certain levels. So I'm just focusing on these two stuff, and let me take an example of Wipro. Let's see. And okay, so Wipro is very clear. Anything beyond this, it's a fall. It's very clear. Anything beyond this, it's a fall. And since it's an uptrend, I'm expecting upside, but let's not judge again. So this can be very what to say, at times it can be very we need to be very cautious. We can't be over judging ourselves, and it can lead to overconfidence as well. So it can be tough, it can be like that. So always fix to your position and trade it properly. That's it. So these are the levels for Wipro. It's pretty clear, 400 and 467. I think it has made a decent entry. We could have made a decent entry over here, somewhere around 400 call option, right? So I think we can actually target 430 call option over here whenever you come here, and 430 put option whenever you come to 460. So that's how we have to trade, and we can make some real good money in that case. Just imagine now 430 from last few days, it would have raised significantly. Yeah, just one lot is enough, good enough. And I think, yeah, we can keep marking, and I can post many other things, but the video will be going on and on. Just this is the primary area, how to play stocks and to the stock options. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. Do like, share, and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.